Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to update or install your Wi-Fi driver so it can fix the missing Wi-Fi drivers from Windows 11. So if you had a new PC or you're just having problem with your Wi-Fi, updating or reinstalling the Wi-Fi drivers will fix the problem. So first we just need to go to the search bar and search for device manager. Click on this device manager, and after that you need to find the network adapters from here. Expand this option, and if you don't find the network adapters, just click on this view option and click on this show hidden device. It will show you network adapters. Now if you found the Wi-Fi drivers from here, as you can see, this is the Wi-Fi drivers for me, which is going to say the wireless LAN, and right click on it. Now click on this update driver option. Now click on browse my computer for drivers. Now click let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer, and now just choose a driver from here. Just click next. It will automatically install the driver for your Windows 11, and as you can see, Windows now has successfully updated my drivers. You just need to close it and just restart your PC. This will fix the driver issue on your Windows 11. So if you found this video helpful, please subscribe, and thank you for watching.